So this is genuinely the first time I've ever given my birds bread. But there's so much leftover food from Thanksgiving, and I just don't want to eat it all myself. So I'm sharing the bread with the dogs and the birds. And they do enjoy it. It's not good for them. I'm in my house right now, and they are on the deck, as you could probably tell. Look at them go at it. Good birds. Oh, what good birds. So the chickens are basically really heading into some cold weather. We might get some snow. Hi, chicken. I'm hoping that we get snow. Come here, chicken. I don't know if they'll like it. I hope they like it. I hope they can appreciate it. I don't know. I'm not a chicken. Alright, my husband and I are going to do some errands, but this is the chickens enjoying some bread. And they're not being too savage about it either, so good chickens. Peace out.